Hello everyone, AC2 here, and today I'm going to be replacing the cushions on my Beats Studio, on my $40 Beats Studio wireless 2s. So about the cheapest replacement cushions I can find from eBay, right here, they're $7. They weren't the cheapest ones, but they were the cheapest ones that were shipping from America. Cheaper ones can be found in China, but I didn't want to wait long for the shipping. So I was saying before in my last video on these headphones that these cushions look horrible. Look at these. I already took one off. These are just breaking. Now it's time to take this one off. You're gonna need some kind of flat thing. I'm gonna use this nail file that's on my multi-tool. You could use also a flat screwdriver or like a flat keychain bottle opener or something. What you have to do is you have to stick your flat thing inside right here in between the speaker and the actual cushion. Just kind of remove all the adhesive that's around the speaker. It'll just kind of pop off. It's gonna come off too. Don't worry about that. You gotta remove all the adhesive that's left on the actual Beats. Still using the nail file here. Now I just have to place them. So I also washed the headband because it was really dirty and it smelled like hair gel, as I said in my last video. Let's put that back before I actually put the cushions. Just gotta slide these two tabs in here. Kind of difficult. So what you do is you have to slide this one big tab inside, press it down, and then slide in the two small tabs. One. There we go. And that's two. Now I gotta just wrap the headband around. Around the memory foam cushioning on the top of the headphones. Slide in this tab again. And slide in the two smaller tabs again. There we go. Let's wrap the headband more on the other side of the headphones. on. It's not going in there. And done. There it is, the headband's in. And now it's time to install the cushions. So I'm going to start with the charging port side. They're not the same. Both cushions aren't the same. The ones for the charging port side, which is the right side, they have this little gap right here. And the ones for the left side, which are just the aux cord side, don't. So let's start with the charging side. You're going to need something sharp. Smoley tool also has a knife. Let me use that. So that you can cut into this adhesive and peel it off. There we go. Now just peel off the adhesive. And let's stick it on. There we go. Just gotta slide that over for the charging port. Now it's time for the aux cord side. Just repeat the step. So if you don't know, the side of the cushions that have these little stitch marks right here, that's the bottom side. There we go. And now we just apply pressure all around the headphones, cushions. See how much better it looks. You're gonna take the actual Beats box, if you have it. You could use something else. You're gonna put the headphones around the box so that they can apply pressure overnight. Just put it on. Yeah, there we go. Stretch it out a little across the box, like so. So I can apply pressure overnight. It says the instructions for the actual cushions, they say to leave 12 hours. So I'm just gonna go to sleep and we'll check on them tomorrow. All right, so it's been about 9 hours, so that's 3 hours less than I'm supposed to leave them, but I'm gonna just take these off now. See if the cushion is bonded well. Seems as if they have. The bottom part still needs to be left though. I might just leave them this way. Yeah, that's how you replace the cushions. See you next video.